we are gonna make mini chocolate cakes using Rava in Appam pan or Appam pan. So before we start with the recipe, if you have not subscribed, please click the red subscribe button and the bell button to get all the notification of the recipes. So to start with the recipe, first we need 2/3 cup of sugar. Here I am taking brown sugar. If you want, you can use refined sugar too. And half a cup of yogurt. Next we need is 1/4 cup of oil. I am taking olive oil. You can take any oil which you like. Now we have to mix all these 3 ingredients together, that is sugar, curd and oil. Blend it together so that they form a uniform batter. There should be no lumps in your batter. Then I am adding 1 cup of Rava or semolina and mix it gently. And close and keep it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 minutes, the batter will look like this. The Rava would have absorbed all the moisture from the batter. Then add 1/4 cup of wheat flour to a sieve. Two big tablespoons of cacao powder. Cacao powder is basically unsweetened cocoa powder. And half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix and sieve them well so that there is no lump and all the dry ingredients are mixed well. And once you finish sieving, add half a cup of milk and mix all these things together well so that they form a nice batter without any lump and of uniform consistency also. You'll get a nice thick fluffy batter. Consistency may be similar to your dosa batter or idli batter. Now take Appam pan or Appam pan and grease it well with oil. Once you finish greasing all the molds of Appam pan, then on your stove and in low flame, and then add the batter little by little in all the molds. Make sure you don't fill the mold completely. Add just 1 teaspoon of batter into each mold because your cake will raise up, and if you add too much of batter, it will not have sufficient space to raise. Now close it with the lid and cook this for 10 to 15 minutes in low flame only. After 10 minutes, you can always open and check whether it's ready or not. If it's ready, you can take it out from the mold and allow it to cool for 5 to 10 minutes, and you can serve this warm. So your yummy tasty mini muffins are ready. So now you can make the second batch like this. You can make in batches and store it in the fridge also, and you can use it for longer time. This serves as a good snack for kids and even a good tiffin option for them. This is well cooked, and because you cover it with a lid, both the sides are completely cooked and it's even cooked inside also very well. So if you want to decorate these mini muffins, you can just add some cream on top of it and serve it to kids. They will love the mini muffins with the cream. These are homemade whipping cream. If you have not watched the video of homemade whipping cream, please do watch it. Link is available in the description box. So hope you liked my video, and if you have liked my video, please do like it, share it, and do subscribe to my channel.